How to add another account in WhatsApp on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'll guide you to add another account in WhatsApp on Android. So do watch the video till the end. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log into any existing account on WhatsApp first. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select Settings. Now at the top, you will see your profile. Tap on the arrow next to your profile name. Tap Add Account at bottom of the screen. You will land on this kind of interface where you need to first choose your language for your WhatsApp and tap on Agree and continue to add an account. On the section, enter your phone number as well as country's code and the name. After you enter the phone number, that must be different from your existing WhatsApp number, and after that tap next button. You will get the code to verify. After you verify, you can easily add another account in WhatsApp. In order to switch between the accounts, you can simply first of all tap on the three dots again at top right corner of the screen. And if you have multiple accounts, you will easily get the option here as switch account, and you can tap on switch account and choose the particular account where you want to log in or sign in. So that is how we add another account in WhatsApp on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.